Genre, nonfiction. Essential question. How do people work with animals? Teach a Dog by Justin Yong. Chapter 1. How do you teach a dog? Dogs make great pets. They follow rules if people teach them. Would you like to be a dog teacher? It's hard work, but it's fun. Caption. Dogs love to play. If a dog behaves well, give a small treat, then say, "Good dog." Give lots of love. You will get love back. Caption. This dog knows the rules. Sit, stay, come. These are key words a dog should know. First, teach a dog to sit. Gently push the dog's back end down and say, "Sit." If it stands up, say, "Sit." If it sits, give it a treat. Caption. This girl pats the dog after it sits. Now teach the dog to stay. Have the dog sit. Put out your hand and say, "Stay." Next, walk a few steps away. If the dog stays, give her a treat. Then say, "Come." If she comes, give her a treat for being so clever. Caption. This dog is learning to stay. Chapter 2. How can a dog teach you? A dog can't talk, of course, so he will give a signal instead. If a dog's paw is out, he wants something. What if his tail is down? It's a sign that he's sad. Captions. This dog is begging. This dog is shy or scared. If a dog is wagging his tail, he's happy. If his rear end is up, he wants to play. What if he rolls onto his back? He's saying, "You're the boss, please rub my tummy." Captions. This dog loves the child. This dog wants to play. Chapter 3. How do you walk a dog? Dogs love to go for walks. First, clip on the leash. Walk slowly. Try not to pull on the leash, but do keep the dog near you. Caption. These dogs are learning to use a leash. Sometimes a dog pulls on the leash. She might have found something to sniff. Stop walking. When she is still, you can start walking again. Caption. This dog is pulling. You can run with a dog too, but if she pants too much, slow down or stop. Make sure you and the dog take a water break. Caption. This dog likes to run. If you'd like, you can write down all the rules. Then you can help someone else teach a dog. Caption. You can write a list of ways to train your dog. Working with dolphins. Did you know that dolphins are good helpers? They can help people with special needs. Dolphins can help people who are sick or hurt too. The woman in the photo trains dolphins. She teaches them how to swim with children. Caption. Dolphins can understand commands. Trainers teach dolphins how to do tricks. A dolphin can stand on its tail. Some dolphins can jump through hoops. Watching tricks makes people happy. Caption. Dolphins like to eat fish.